We're going to do an unboxing of a Bluetooth speaker right here, right now. This is the party starter made by Ion. I got it for $9 at TJ Maxx, but it's available on Amazon as well. Honestly, my life changed when I got this speaker. That's a donkey. Let's unbox this beautiful speaker. Look at this beautiful thing. Look at that fancy, oh, made in China. See? So I'm guessing Donald Trump doesn't have one of these speakers. Let's unbox it real quick. Would you look at it? There it is, outside of the box. This speaker likes to think outside the box. Get it? What do you say we fire this thing up? How easy is it to fire up this party starter and get the party started? You can also use the party starter to make and receive phone calls using nothing more than a phone and the party starter.
Thank you for calling your friendly U-type of Vons. One moment, please.
Oh, they put us on hold. They must be busy baking.
Bakery, can I help you?
Hi, is this the bakery?
Yes, it is.
Hi, do you guys carry blueberry muffins?
Yes, we do.
Okay, and you guys have them in stock?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You see what I'm talking about? This thing is versatile and literally will get the party started. So again, it's the party starter Bluetooth speaker made by Ion. It can be found on Amazon. I will put the link below. Less than 20 bucks. You could take it camping, you could take it fishing, you could take it to work. The party starter by Ion.